So in today's topic we're gonna discuss about some respiratory volumes and capacities. So first we're gonna discuss about the respiratory volumes. We have four volumes in number. We have four volumes, right? The four volumes are like the tidal volume, or I'm simply writing TV, the inspiratory reserve volume, that is IRV, the expiratory reserve volume, that is ERV, and the last one is the residual volume or RV. I am simply writing these in the short terms, and their full forms are like this is tidal volume, and this is inspiratory reserve volume. This is expiratory reserve volume, and this is the residual volume. This is the volume which remains in the lung every time. If this volume is not there, then the lung will collapse. The tidal volume, let's define them each one by one. All right. So what is tidal volume, or TV you can say, or tidal volume, right? So what is tidal volume? Tidal volume is the volume of air you inspire or a person inspire. The volume of air you inspire or a person inspire during a normal inspiration or expiration, or you can say during respiration, normal respiration, or you can say normal breathing. All right. The volume of air you inspire during a normal inspiration, or inspire or expire, actually inspire or expire during a normal inspiration or expiration, or you can define it like this: volume of air a person inspire or expire during a normal breathe or normal respiration. All right. Then what its volume is? So its volume is 500 ml per inspiration or expiration, or you can say per breathe. All right. So how many times a person breathe in a minute? A person at a normal rate, a person breathes 12 to 16 times. All right. Then by simply multiplying this volume per breathe by 12 to 16 times, we get 6000 to 8000 ml of air we breathe during per minute of normal breathing. Okay, we are talking about normal breathing only. टाइडल वॉल्यूम इज़ व्हाट? नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग के टाइम पे जो एक्सपिरेशन या फिर इंस्पिरेशन होता है उसको बोलते हैं टाइडल वॉल्यूम, विच अकाउंट्स ओनली फॉर 500 ml ऑफ वॉल्यूम. ऑल राइट. एंड हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी ब्रीद? वी नॉर्मली ब्रीद इन अ मिनट 12 to 16 times. All right. So this is the volumes, and then the next is inspiratory reserve volume or IRV. That is inspiratory रिजर्व या फिर रिजर्व्ड बोल सकते हो, इंस्पायरेटरी रिजर्व वॉल्यूम या फिर आईआरवी. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ एयर which actually we inspire by forcible inspiration. Like we need an additional force, not a normal inspiration we are talking about. After a normal inspiration, when we inspire with a forcible inspiration, like we use our muscles, the normal inspiration is that which we do unconsciously, like we don't need to concentrate on the breathe. It's normal, like when we are in rest and the breathe is continuous, right? The normal breathing is known as tidal volume. But when we need certain force or we use our muscles for inspiration or expiration, we term this as a reserve volumes or inspiratory, like we use force. Here is the inspiratory force, or you can say we use forcible inspiration. So what we are doing, volume of air which can be inspired by a person after a normal inspiration. All right. So this is the volume of air which can be inspired by a person after a normal inspiration by forcible inspiration. So this is the volume of air which can be inspired by a person after a normal inspiration by forcible inspiration. So we need some force. We need the action of muscles for this volume to get inhaled. All right. What is the volume of IRV? It is from 2000 ml to 3000 ml. All right. So what is the volume for IRV? It is 2500 ml to 3000 ml. All right. This is the IRV. Similarly, what is ERV? What is ERV? ERV is for expiratory. ERV is for expiratory reserve volume. This is the volume of air which can be inspired or which can be expired by a person after a normal expiration. All right, the TV is lost, like the TV is lost during the normal expiration, and then after we use force, we use certain amount of force to expire the remaining volume which can be exhaled out, but certain amount, that is residual volume I am talking about na. So residual volume I mentioned earlier, this we can't exhale out. This volume we can't exhale out. If this volume can be exhaled, then the lung will collapse. So except for this, we have ERV in the फंक्शनल कैपेसिटी बोलते हैं, फंक्शनल कैपेसिटी बोलते हैं. उसके अलावा क्या है ERV क्या है कि तुमने टीवी निकाल दिया, लाइक यू एक्सपायर्ड नॉर्मली एंड देन यू आर ट्राइंग with a force, like with a forcible expiration, you are trying to exhale more amount of air from your lungs, and this is known as expiratory reserve volume, and it accounts for 1000 to 1100 ml of air. So how we derive the definition? Volume of air which can be expired by forcible expiration after a normal expiration. All right, this is for ERV, and the last volume is what? RV. All right, the last volume is RV, which is residual volume. And this accounts for the volume which remains every time in the lung, like it can't be lost or it can't be exhaled out by us. If this can be exhaled out, then the lung will collapse ultimately. So this is the remaining, and you can say this is the only functional, but when we talk about the functional one, we count ERV plus RV. But if we expiratory reserve volume, then we have only residual volume for the functional work of the alveoli. All right, so residual volume is what? It is the volume of air which remains in the lungs even after a forcible expiration, or you can say even after even after ERV, or you can say even after a forcible expiration, or you can say ERV being exhaled, and उसके बाद जो वॉल्यूम बचता है, that is RV. And what is the volume of RV? It accounts for 1100 to 1200 ml of air. All right, so these are the four volumes. That is tidal volume, which accounts for 500 ml. It is the normal it is the volume of air which is inspired or expired during the normal inspiration or expiration, or you can say during respiration, during normal respiration or breathing. Then the inspiratory is a volume which is the volume of air which can be inspired by a person with a force, like it is a forcible inspiration after a normal inspiration, and it accounts for the 2500 to 3000 ml of air. And then the expiratory is a volume, it is a volume of air which can be expelled, or you can say which can be expired by a person after a normal expiration, and it accounts for 1000 to 1100 ml of air. And what is residual volume? The volume of air which always remains in the lungs even after a forcible expiration, or you can say after expiring ERV also. The remaining volume is known as 11 residual volume, which accounts for the 1100 to 1200 ml of air. All right. Then now we talk about the capacity.